0 to 60 in under 3.8 seconds. Seriously, let that sink in for a moment. This is the 2025 Audi S8. We're talking 563 horsepower thundering from a twin-turbo V8, all wrapped up in the kind of luxury that makes you want to live in it. But here's the big question. Can a four-door sedan that pampers you like a five-star hotel really turn into a road-munching missile? Can it actually be a serene limo 1 minute and a corner-carving beast the next? Well, stick around because we're about to find out. The 2025 Audi S8, and you might just see its classier, more reserved A8 sibling. And honestly, that's a big part of its charm. It's the ultimate sleeper. But don't be fooled. If you know what to look for, those S-specific design touches are definitely there. You've got the more aggressive front end, some smart, subtle aero bits, those unmistakable quad exhaust pipes, and now 21-inch wheels come as standard. It all whispers, or maybe even shouts, that there's a beast under the skin. A massive 590 pound-feet of torque. All that grunt gets sent through a silky-smooth 8-speed Tiptronic automatic and naturally Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive. So what does all that mean when the rubber meets the road? Well, Audi says 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in about 3.8 seconds, but get this, some tests are hinting it might be even faster, maybe even down to 3.2 seconds. Top speed? You're looking at an electronically limited 155 miles per hour. Audi's MMI touch response system with two crisp high-res screens, a 10.1-incher up top for your infotainment and an 8.6-inch one below for climate. Both have this cool haptic feedback. Then there's the standard Audi virtual cockpit. That's a 12.3-inch digital driver display you can set up just how you like it. The Audi S8 is a big car. We're talking a wheelbase of 123.2 inches and over 209 inches long. So how does this luxury limo handle the corners? You might be surprised, or if you know Audi's S models, maybe not so surprised. But this thing can dance. It comes standard with dynamic all-wheel steering, which is clever stuff. The Audi S8 changes character again. The adaptive air suspension just glides over bumps, making the ride feel almost like a magic carpet. The cabin stays incredibly quiet. The engine just a distant hum. The steering gets lighter, the throttle chills out. The 2025 Audi S8? Is it some kind of confused beast? Or is it the ultimate master of disguise? After really getting to know it, I'm going with the latter, no question. This car doesn't just let speed and luxury share the same space. It makes them best friends. So, what are your thoughts on the 2025 Audi S8? Do you think it's the ultimate blend of performance and luxury, or is there another car you think wears that crown better? I'd love to hear what you think. Drop your comments down below.